At then update, yung mukhang may shoot uli, sila Alden Richards at Catherine Bernardo. Yung pang dressing room. Dressing room 8 for Hello Love Again. At sa post ni Miss Darla, kasama niya ang cat din. Sabi niya, Hello Love, so happy to see you Catherine Bernardo and Alden Richards. Can't wait to see Ethan and Joy again. Excited na sila sa movie na Hello Love Again, nila Alden at Catherine. Kita naman gaano ka-fresh ang cat din. With Miss Darla. Diyan yan sa hallway. Ito yun. Nirepost pa nga nila Alden at Catherine yung picture nila kahapon. Sa photoshoot for Hello Love Again. Kasama ang Team Cat din. And IG story ni Catherine. Yung banding. Kasama si Q na. Yung pamangkin niya. Cute. Saka ito pa. Yung about last night. Yung after ng photoshoot. Kasama niya. Si Derek John. Yan pa yung mga endorsement niya. Then video, NTM. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe. Click ang notification bell kung may update. Ito po ang further action vlog. Bye guys. Thank you for watching.